Flexible manufacturing production line for auto parts. Integrating Taiwanese suppliers at every level to build next-generation smart production lines. Using flexible manufacturing to provide solutions for small volume, large variety production. Feature 1. Digital twin technology and virtual integration. Using Cyber Physical System, CPS, virtual integration technology to connect IoT, sensors, and intelligence software, and integrating MES, MRP, and supply chain systems for a complete solution to set up a smart production line. Feature 2. Flexible manufacturing process, efficient production. A flexible manufacturing workflow with different workpieces and procedures on one single line, meeting the goals of zero loss in mold and line changeover, and allowing Lot 1 production. OEE is improved by 20%, while lead time is reduced from 3 days to 8 hours. Feature 3. Collect production information. Optimize production line efficiency. Production line conditions can all be monitored by sensors and controllers and displayed through Tongtai's TLM system. Cloud technology can send production line and production information to various mobile devices. Tongtai is a leading Taiwanese machine tool manufacturer. Established in 1969, Tongtai is one of the few machine tool manufacturers to build its main factory in the south of Taiwan. Faced with the trend of Industry 4.0, Tongtai can provide complete smart manufacturing solutions. Tongtai is known in the industry for its turnkey solutions. In the future, it will broaden the use of CPS technology in planning workflows. Tongtai has metal 3D printing technology that breaks the bounds of traditional processing, bringing more design possibilities, speeding up product development time, and tackling customized small volume, large variety production requirements. As the parent company of TT Group, Tongtai, through the strategic integration of the group's resources, uses methods such as collective procurement and development and complementary products to effectively lower manufacturing costs. Tongtai Technological Application Centers, TTAC, serve clients around the world. In addition to Taiwan, centers in Switzerland, mainland China, Malaysia, Thailand, and Turkey provide real-time local technical support, truly bringing about the servitization of manufacturing, serving global customers through technology. A consultative selling approach helps customers to clarify and resolve any issues in processing, manufacturing, upgrades, and transformation. Tongtai, together with Taiwan's leading manufacturers, is building even greater industrial competitiveness.